she was known as the crush ng bayan of the 90s, di ba? Parang Julia Roberts of the Philippines. Yung ang pretty-pretty, ang ganda-ganda, ang fresh-fresh, di ba?
People have always seen Agot Isidro as a picture of beauty with a voice that can capture everyone's heart. But behind all the glamour and fame of showbiz, it is her character that defines who she really is.
Si Agot masayahin yan eh. Gusto niya nagtatawanan lagi, gano'n. Sarap kakwentuhan yan si Agot.
Mapagmahal yung kaibigan. As in, she will stand by you no matter what. And sobrang niyang sarap magmahal bilang kaibigan. Naiiyak ako. One of the sincerest friend I've ever had in my entire life.
She's a fun person. She's, tsaka ano siya, dependable yung maasahan mo siya. Tawagan mo lang kahit anong kailangan mo. Nandyan kaagad siya. So, ayun, si Agot, maganda siyang kaibigan.
Si Agot is a pleaser. Okay? So, gusto niya masaya yung kanyang karelasyon, yung lahat ng paraan gagawin niya, mapasaya lang niya ang kanyang taong minamahal. She's very honest. Sinasabi niya agad kung anong pinagdadaanan niya. And she's very open and honest and straight to the point.
Her career as an artist may have been a smooth ride so far. Pero sa likod ng kanyang tagumpay, dumaan din si Agot sa ilang mapapait na karanasan na sumubok sa kanyang pagkatao.
Kasi wala namang tao kasi na hindi nagdadaan sa mga malaking pagsubok sa buhay. So, pero ang pinaka-bongga dun sa nangyaring yon, na pagdaanan niya ng taas noo at punong-puno ng dignity. So, she kept her dignity and pride after that troublesome times of her life.
I heard about some of her personal problems, so nung narinig ko, tinext ko lang siya, simple lang, okay ka lang? Minsan ganun lang eh. I don't wanna add anything more kasi baka ayaw magkwento, di ba? Ayoko naman pipilitin ko yung sarili ko. So okay ka lang, tapos sabi niya, yeah, I'm okay. Malakas ang personality niya. When she went through her problems, I knew she would, I knew she would survive. Siyempre masakit, siyempre iiyak ka, siyempre you'll feel down, you'll feel na bagsak ka, pero I had no doubt na she'll recover.
Agot is very happy right now. She takes life as it is. Whatever life gives her now, she faces it head on.
Survivor naman talaga si Agot eh. So, she'll be okay.
Miss Agot, kumusta ka na ngayon?
I'm okay. Katulad ng sinabi nila, I'm okay. Yeah. Hanggang dun lang. Okay lang
Pag
ako.
ikaw may mga challenges o may mga pagsubok na pinagdaraanan, how do you deal with it?
First, really, I pray. I pray a lot. Punta ako dun sa yung ako lang tsaka ang Diyos ang nag-uusap. And then after that, I talk to friends, I talk to my family, and then I share my problems. So it's always good to have a support group. And I have been blessed with the best support groups,
Yes.
being my family and my friends. And then, kung hindi pa kaya nun, then I get professional help, which is yung mga therapists and all that. So, I deal with my problems head on. Really, I don't shy from it. I don't back down from it.
Are you a crier? Do you let it out by crying?
I do. In the beginning, I really have to cry. And sometimes, I'm weird this way, ha? Binibigyan ko yung sarili ko ng maybe an hour to cry. Yung ganon.
Just to release everything?
Just to release. Yung parang, sige, Agot 1 hour a day to cry, ha? Diyan ka lang iiyak. And then you just go on with your day. At least tapos na yon.
When was the last time?
I cried? Just recently. Okay. Pero hindi yung cry na todo, ha?
Yeah.
Yung nakaka-memories lang and then, yun.
We all have those
Naluluha
days.
lang.
We all have those days and
Exactly,
nights, diba?
right?
Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, Miss Agot, ano sa tingin mo yung pinakamalaking natutunan mo about yourself?
That I am strong. That I am actually quite strong. Kasi kala ko mahina ang loob ko eh. But then, after having gone through problems, and major problems at that, I came out, parang okay din naman pala.
Yes.
And ang lesson na natutunan ko dito is talagang life just goes on.
Yeah.
I mean, despite, di ba, of all the problems or obstacles that come your way. Talagang, there's a tomorrow waiting to happen. And it's up to you to actually, di ba, make something good out of it.
Yes. Now, during commercial break, sinabi mo na you love challenges. And I know
Yes.
this new show is another challenge for you.
Yes.
Kumusta so far ang taping mo dito sa GMA?
Okay din naman ang taping. I love the staff, si Nanieva, everyone in the staff, thank you very much for welcoming me. Masyado silang, Miss Agot, okay lang ako. I'm so easy talaga. I'm so laid back. Tapos yung mga kasama ko, Jean and Raymond
Yeah.
and Carlene. I haven't worked with sina Luis and
Yeah.
Alden yet, but I'm very excited because meron na ako nakikitang chemistry between the two of them.
Exciting.
So, excited.
Miss Agot, of course, welcome again dito sa GMA 7.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Maraming salamat.
And
Dr.
One
Clarence.
True Love. Malapit na yan, di ba? Please invite everybody.
Alright, One True Love sa June 11 na po sa GMA Telebabad. Huwag niyo hong palalampasin itong chance na to see one of the nakaka-in-love na teleserye. One True Love, June 11.
Nadagdagan na naman po ng magagaling na artista ang GMA 7. Welcome again and thank you so much, Miss Agot Isidro.
Thank you, Raymond.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vicky Bello, Crystal Henares, Sexy Solutions, Dr. Vivian Sarabia, Optical, Dr. Shella Adahar Dental Clinic, Elordi Jim in Ortigas, Ton Lau, Zeng Zulweta, and Richard of Henry Calaig Salon. At susunod na po, Richard Gutierrez, Carla Abellana, and Sara Labati, live na live dito sa Showbiz Central. Stick around.
Tutukan din ang bagyong hatid ng pagsalang ni Annabel Ramos sa Don't Lie to Me. Live na live. Rian Ramos, inaming naka-move on na.
I'm a different person now.
At Marian at Dingdong, gaano katotoong nagkakalubuan na.
Kami? Magkasama naman kami sa tent.